EGR valve on 2 liter HDI Citroen Relay. Basically it's leaking coolant around here. Most of these valves you can get gasket and replace the gasket that is between the coolant and the EGR valve itself. Around here there is metal gasket which you can replace, but the other main problems are these bolts. They just very hard to get them out, and usually it's one of the two just stuck in, and you will break them, then you need to drill them out. It's just easier is just buy a new valve, complete one, and just put that on, because I changed before, even it's everything perfectly clean, it still start to leak a little bit. It's not leak, it's like get damp around, but that it start from another new leak. Yeah, it's quite easy. You just need to remove all the foam. It's just easier access, and then you put in brand new EGR. Need to look at this January one, because some of them come refurbished and they start to leak from the same place, and even from the dealer it's come refurbished. And this one you can see it's clean, because usually coolant, the radiator that is for EGR, you can see it's dirty inside. This looks quite clean. Then we will put this one back on, and then we'll start